Hello everyone, I am Vinod and you are watching Indian Military Updates. Hope you are really enjoying my videos. You can check the list to have several exciting contents and systems explanations. This week too, we got a lot of new updates from new missile tests to new armored vehicles. So watch till the end for all the new news. So Bharat Forge has received an order from the Indian Army for protected vehicles under the emergency procurement route. The exact number isn't revealed yet. Global aerospace and technology company Paramount Group and India-based engineering and technology conglomerate Bharat Forge Limited announced a cooperation to manufacture armored vehicles in India. The Kalyani M4 is an advanced multi-role, highly dynamic mine-protected vehicle. This platform offers very high level of ballistic and mine protection as well as protection against a 50 kg TNT side blast or IED roadside bomb. It has a payload capability of 2.3 ton, top speed of 140 km and a range of 800 km. This platform will help Indian Army in many critical situations. The closing ceremony of the joint military exercise between Indian and US Army, Exercise Yudh-Vash-20, was held at Mahajan Field Firing Range on 21st February 2021. 11th Battalion, the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles part of South Western Command, represented Indian Army in this bilateral exercise. The US Army of delegation was represented by troops of 2nd Battalion, the 3rd Infantry Regiment of 1-2 Striker Brigade Combat Team of 7th Infantry Division, US Army. The aim of exercise was to focus on counter-terrorism operation under United Nations mandate. The joint training developed into an excellence professionalism forum which strengthened the capabilities of joint operations by both armies. Indian Army is in the process of procuring 556 augmented reality head-mounted display system under Make-II category. After successful evaluation of vendor responses, project sanctions order has been issued on 22nd February 2021 to 6 vendors to start developing the prototype. The contract will be placed with one of the firms post-successful development of prototype as per provisions of by category of DAP 2020. DRDO conducted 2 successful launches of vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile recently. Indigenously designed and developed by DRDO for Indian Navy, VLSR-SAM is meant for neutralizing various aerial threats at close ranges including sea skimming targets. In case you don't know, it is a variant of same Astray air-to-air missile and lot of changes have been done. The Ministry of Defence has recently cleared some new and old acquisition proposals collectively worth over 17,000 crore rupees, including the procurement of 118 Arjun Mark 1A main battle tank. The case for Namika also gets stronger. And now, the best part, Indian armored vehicles are finally to get active protection system. Yes, according to reports, DSC has approved of 5,300 crore rupees project to develop onboard protection and counter measures for 820 armored fighting vehicles against guided missiles, rockets and other projectiles. This Make-II category project will see companies develop prototypes at their own cost for the final selection. It is reported by the several medias. Joint user trials for Helena, the Army version, and Dhruvastro, the Air Force version, have been carried out from Advanced Light Helicopter Weapon System Integrated, that is Rudra. 5 missions were carried out for evaluating the missile capabilities in minimum and maximum range. The missiles were fired in hover and max forward flight against realistic static and moving targets. Some missions were carried out with warheads against derelict tanks. A mission was carried out against a moving target from a forward flying helicopter. So guys, these were the updates for this time. Will you meet again with a new subject? Till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.